Today I'm making lamb chops with a minted yogurt sauce. And I'm going to start by making the yogurt sauce first. And what I have is just some plain Greek yogurt. You don't want vanilla yogurt, you want plain yogurt. And to that I'm going to add some garlic, lemon juice, some diced shallots. If you don't have diced shallots, which I didn't, I'm just using a little red onion today. And then 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh mint. Stir all of this together until the ingredients are well combined. Then we're going to season it with just a touch of pepper and a little bit of salt. And I'm going to put it in a dish for serving. I'm just going to set this aside to let the flavors meld while I'm cooking the lamb chops. So I have these beautiful chops, and they just came out of the freezer, so I've had them a while, been saving them for a special occasion. And all I want to do is get my grill pan hot. So let me get this started. And then I'm just going to season the lamb chops with a little bit, well, let's do salt first. Salt, freshly ground black pepper, and then some ground cumin. And this is really to taste. Keep in mind that when you're seasoning meat like this, it's going to be grilled. Lots of times you lose some of the seasonings in the pan, so you want to season very well. Now I'm just going to flip these over and season the other side. Okay, my pan is hot, so I just want to add a little bit of vegetable oil. We want to let this get hot. Turn the heat down just a touch. Okay, so the oil looks like it is hot and smoking. And I'm just going to add the lamb chops. Now I'm one of those people who likes their lamb chops pretty well done. So it's up to you how long you want to cook them. Most people would cook them 3 to 5 minutes on each side. I might cook mine a little bit more because, like I said, I like mine a little more done. And this will also work very well on an outdoor grill. Just grill them over medium-high heat. When you're cooking lamb like this and not on the grill where you don't have the flames licking, make sure that you brown all the sides. The lamb chops are completely cooked. These are medium rare. And I'm just going to get them off the heat onto a platter. Now if you're cooking these ahead of time, put them on an oven-proof platter and keep them in your oven on low just to keep them warm. They'll hold the heat for a long time. Look how beautifully browned these are. And I'm just going to take a bite out of one of these little guys. It's beautifully cooked. Try it with a little bit of my yogurt sauce. delicious. It's a foolproof recipe. Hope you'll try it. It's wonderful. You just need a glass of wine. Happy cooking.
If you'd like to see more recipes like this, please subscribe. For complete ingredients and cooking instructions and to purchase cookbooks, visit cateringbydebbicovington.com.